For sale today is a Clausing Colchester 1550. It is an 8000 series Colchester. This machine has just been serviced. All oil in the headstock has been flushed and changed. The gearboxes have been taken apart. This machine features inch and metric threading. Has a taper attachment with all the parts. All has been disassembled, cleaned, lubed, and operating correctly. It's also going to come with an original Clausing Colchester steady rest. Has a Alora style US made Enco CXA style tool post. The carriage has been taken apart. All the oil's been flushed. You can see here, machine oils as it should. Nice clean oil. We've got the machine set up at 840 RPMs. You can see the electric brake works as it should. We'll shift this thing. It's at 840, 260. Here you can see that this machine has a forward and reverse clutch. Especially with the brake, very easy, very fast shifts. Reverse, stop, forward. Let's check some other gears here. 80 RPMs. We'll be at 625. Check the feed out here. Engage, you've got your feed. If it's running the wrong direction, simple as changing it right here on the carriage. Cross feed, same thing. Change the direction here. Half nut works as it should. It does have a threading dial. This machine is in very good condition. Disassembled the cross feed on it. I do have pictures of the condition of the ways. You can still see all the original machine marks. You can see here that the taper attachment moves as it should. If you have any other questions about this Clausing Colchester lathe or any other tool room equipment, give Brandon at Varney Machine a call. Thank you.